Have you ever wondered what it takes to guard a flock in the harshest, most unforgiving mountain terrain? Meet the Great Pyrenees, a breed of elegance, strength, and unwavering loyalty. Today, we'll explore the history, power, and beauty of these mountain guardians, and by the end, you might just fall in love with them. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below which dog breed do you think is the ultimate protector. History and origins. The history of the Great Pyrenees stretches back centuries, descending from the mighty white guardian dogs of Central Asia. They were companions to nomadic tribes, protecting sheep, goats, and horses from predators. As these tribes moved westward, these loyal dogs came along, eventually settling in the rugged Pyrenees Mountains between France and Spain. Over generations, they perfected the art of guarding, adapting to the steep slopes, dense underbrush, and high pastures of the mountains. These dogs were not just pets, they were protectors, living life on the edge, facing wolves and bears without hesitation. Appearance and physical traits. The Great Pyrenees embodies majesty. Males stand 68-81 cm tall, weighing around 45 kilos, while females are slightly smaller at 63-76 cm and about 38 kilos. But size is not only part of the story. This dog is built for strength, balance, and elegance. Slightly longer than tall, with a level back, strong legs, and a flowing white coat that commands attention. The coat is double-layered. A weather-resistant outer layer of coarse hair protects against snow, rain, and brambles, while the soft undercoat keeps them warm in winter. The ruff around the neck, feathered legs, and plumed tail give them impression of regal elegance. Yet every inch of their body is made for function, not just beauty. The head and expression. The head of a Great Pyrenees is a masterpiece of balance. A smooth, wedge-shaped skull, gently rounded crown, and almond-shaped dark brown eyes convey intelligence and confidence. There is no harsh angle, just a serene, commanding presence. Ears are low and close to the head, blending seamlessly into the mane, while the muzzle is strong yet elegant. This expression says it all: calm, thoughtful, and always aware. Despite their size, the Great Pyrenees moves with effortless grace. Their gait is smooth, powerful, and precise. Level backline, strong drive from the hindquarters, and extended reach in the front legs. Whether descending a slope or navigating rocky terrain, every movement is efficient and deliberate. This is a dog built for endurance, agility, and the protection of its charges. Temperament and personality. But what truly sets the Great Pyrenees apart is its character. Confident, gentle, and fiercely loyal. They are natural guardians. They are patient and tolerant, yet fearless when defending their flock or family. Independent thinkers. They assess situation carefully, knowing when to act and when to stay watchful. Their calm posture makes them extraordinary both in the mountains and at home. And here is a question for you. Would you trust a dog like this to protect your family or flock? Let us know in the comments. Legacy and philosophy. For centuries, the Great Pyrenees has stood as a symbol of courage and dedication. They teach us the quiet strength of vigilance, the elegance in resilience, and the value of loyalty. These dogs are more than companions. They are guardians, philosophers in fur, reminding us that true strength lies in balance, power and patience, elegance and endurance, heart and mind. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the story of these magnificent guardians, because the legacy of the Great Pyrenees is a story worth passing on. The mountains will always have their guardians, and the Great Pyrenees will always answer the call.